Ethical investing, easy to say, but not easy to do. How do you balance your moral compass with the need to provide returns on money invested for retirement plans and insurance benefits? AFBS has hired 2 new money managers who set out to do just that. Ching Ji is a portfolio manager at Global Alpha Capital Management in Vancouver. She founded the firm and designed its ethical investing principles. Does ethical investing make sense? Well, her fund returned 28% last year.
Ethical investing is also known as responsible investing or sustainable investing. This term describes an investment process that incorporates not only financial factors, but also ESG factors.
ESG, the 3 key letters in ethical investing: environmental, social, and governance. Environmental: carbon emissions, water use and recycling, energy efficiency initiatives, renewable energy use, hazardous waste reduction. Social: employee turnover, employee safety, community reputation. Governance: gender diversity of the board, the percentage of board members not tied to management, and executive pay. UBS Asset Management Canada is another new addition. Bruno Betrocchi is an experienced portfolio manager in charge of the ethical investing file.
Diversity, very important. We know from academic studies that diverse groups of people make better investment decisions. Diverse groups of people manage risk better. Diverse groups of people can see a problem and innovate around that problem to come up with a successful solution.
So do you like companies where there would be more women on the board of directors, for instance?
That's something that we definitely look at and that we like to see. I guess I would say I'd go beyond just women. We want to see a board that's made up of diverse people from diverse backgrounds as opposed to the chairman's golfing buddies, for instance.
So who's demanding ethical investing? Well, all you have to do is look at the last few AFBS annual general meetings. Ordinary people want to know how their money is invested.
I think there are mainly 2 forces. First is from the government side, the public opinion to fight against climate change and also corporate governance. The second are more investor-driven, so all across the board. So on the public side, a milestone was really the 2015 Paris Agreement. So far, about 195 countries have signed up. So at Global Alpha, we're a signatory to the UNPRI. It's a United Nations-backed principles. It's called Principles for Responsible Investment. So that set up a few guidelines that we can follow. And so since we joined in 2012, we formalized our ESG process in our portfolio management.
At the end of the day, investments have to make money. Marrying that with ethical principles can be tricky. What's driving the demand for ethical investing?
This is a little bit like food. And here's my analogy. Let me try it out on you. So my mom served lunch. Back when I was a kid, lunch showed up and I ate it. And I never bothered to ask, where did this chicken come from? You know, is this organic milk or what? I have 3 grown daughters now. They want to know all about everything that they eat. The same thing has happened to investments. Yes, people want a check, but they want to know, how was that check produced? What kinds of companies are you investing in? Are they contributing to making the world a better place along with making money? That's the key question that drives the push towards sustainable investing.
And is that what you're looking at when you invest?
Exactly.
Funding retirement with a clear conscience. This is Fred Langan reporting.